Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Explains. Today I come with this tricky math question 20 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it will be in this video and get shout out here. These are top commenters. You can be the part of this chart or you can say shout out list. We will solve here with the help of PEMDAS, which is actually the right way of doing maths. Okay, so many solve like this, like 20 divided by 1 by 2 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 1, or you can say 20 divided by 1, and that's why answer is 20. Okay, do you think this is the right way? No, this is not the right way. Okay, so what will be the right way? I will show you 20 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. Okay, now according to PEMDAS, division and multiplication, there are two operations, and according to PEMDAS, if both have the same priority like division and multiplication, you have to solve from what? Left to right. So first we have to solve from this left to right. So first we will operate this part 20 divided by 1 by 2. So to operate this we will use here the KCF. Now what KCF stand for? KCF stand for keep, change, flip. We will keep this 20 as it is, and division will change to multiplication, and this 1 by 2 will be flipped to 2 by 1. Okay, times 2. Now this is very simple. Now when we simplify this, we will write here 20 times 2 times 2. 20 times 2, which equals to 40, and 40 times 2, which equals to 80. Okay, so here 80 is the right answer, and if you are senior then must check out our best product link in the description. Like this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.